beautiful to have you join us today in another series in our mathematics lessons. And today I'd be treating a very interesting and simple topic, perimeter. Probably you should have done perimeter in probably your primary 2, 3, and 4. But here we'll be going into details on perimeter of various shapes, either regular or irregular shapes. Okay? And before we continue, I'd like to explain the meaning of perimeter. Perimeter is the sum total around any shape. Perimeter is the sum total of the sides around a shape. Perimeter is the sum total of the sides around a shape. Now let's consider a shape on the board and see what we get. Consider the shape below. Consider this shape. Here is A, B, C, D. And this place is the length, and this is the breadth. Okay? This place also is the length, and this place also is the breadth. Okay? Now, we want to consider the perimeter of this shape. Let's try it out and see what we get. Here will be B, and here will be L. Okay? So perimeter. I said perimeter is the distance around the shape. Perimeter is equal to this length plus this breadth plus this length plus this breadth. Okay? Now I say perimeter is the distance around the shape. So if you're considering this shape, the perimeter is this length plus this breadth plus this length plus this breadth. Okay? That's the perimeter for this shape. And this length, we denoted it as AB. This length is noted as AB plus this breadth is known as BC plus this length is known as CD. This breadth is known as what? AD. Okay? This length is AB, this breadth is BC, this length is CD, and this one is what? AD. Okay? Now, we've got length, length, length. Okay? Now let's collect like terms and see what we get. This length and this length. We have length, length plus length plus breadth plus breadth. Length plus length plus breadth plus breadth. So length plus length will give us two lengths, yeah? So we have two lengths. Breadth plus breadth will give us what? Two breadth. Okay? We have two lengths and two breadths. Are we together? Now, if you want to factorize to collect like terms, 2 will come out. So it will be 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So it will be 2 into brackets length plus breadth. Now let's go over it again and see. We have a rectangle ABCD. AB as the length, BC as the breadth, CD as the length, AD as the breadth. Now to get the perimeter of this, I say perimeter is the distance around the shape, so it's A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus D plus D plus A, which is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay? Now our length is AB, our breadth is BC, our length here is CD, and this guy is AD. Are we together? Now this is now length plus breadth. Length plus length will give us 2 lengths plus breadth will give us 2 breadths. If we factorize, we get 2 lengths plus breadth. So simply, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth, or you can write it like this: 2 into bracket L plus B. Is still correct. 2 into bracket L plus B. That is simply how to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. And note, perimeter of any shape is just to sum total all the sides or the distance around the shape. We're going to try some examples so you see how to calculate perimeters of shapes. And we have 3 examples here to look at. There's a rectangle, this looks more like an arrow and all of that, and this is a H. So let's calculate the perimeters of these shapes and see what we get, okay? Now for the first shape, it's a rectangle with this side to be 8.5 cm and this side to be 3.5 cm. This is A, B, C, and D. So our perimeter is the sum total of the distance around the shape. Yeah? So this is a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B, just like the one we've gotten already. 2L plus B, which is equal to, what is our L? Our L is equal to the length, which is what? 8.5 cm. And our B is equal to what? 3.5 cm. Okay? So our perimeter is 2 into bracket 8.5 cm plus 3.5 cm. Close your bracket. 2 into bracket 8.5 plus 3.5 will give us what? Should give us 12 cm. Now 2 multiplied by 12 cm will give us 24 cm. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 20, will give us what? 20, sorry, 8.5 plus 3.5 should give us 13 cm, and this guy should give us 26 cm. Are we together? Should give us 24 cm. Sorry for that. Okay? Now, if we want to try the other way around to see, I say it's the sum total of the distance around the shape. So it's going to be what? 8.5 plus 3.5 plus 8.5 plus 3.5. 8.5 plus 3.5 is 12. 12 plus 8.5 gives us 20.5. 20.5 plus this gives us what? 24 cm. So any method used in solving it, you will get the same answer, okay? It means the perimeter of the shape is the sum total of the distance around the shape. This is very, very simple. When we solve the 2 other examples, you'll see how amazing and simple it is. Okay? So stay tuned for the other examples.